Welcome back to Noven Foods. Today we are making something spicy, crispy and absolutely delicious. Crispy Aloo Onion Pakora. A perfect snack for your tea time or rainy day cravings. Take 2 potatoes, cut them into small pieces. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion and half teaspoon salt. Mix and let it rest for a few minutes so the water release. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon ajwain, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half cup gram flour and 1/4 cup rice flour for extra crispiness. Potatoes are rich in potassium and vitamin C. Ajwain and cumin aids digestion, especially with fried fruits. Gram flour is high in protein and gluten-free. Turmeric adds not just color but powerful antioxidants too. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and add 1 to 2 tablespoon water, just enough to bind everything together. Mix well. The batter should coat the potatoes nicely. Don't add too much water, just enough to coat the potatoes. Use rice flour along with gram flour for the perfect crunch. Let onion and potatoes sit with salt first. It releases moisture naturally. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the pakoras in medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Fry in batches and don't overcrowd the pan for even crispiness. Fry until golden brown and super crispy. Pakora is a classic Indian street snack loved across all regions. The word pakora comes from Sanskrit meaning a cooked lump. Rainy days and pakoras are an unbeatable combination in South Asia. Aloo pakora is often served at wedding and festival as a welcome snack. Your crispy aloo onion pakora is ready to enjoy with chutney or ketchup. Do you love your pakoras extra crispy or soft inside? What's your favorite chutney to pair with pakoras? Let us know in the comments. Spicy or mild? How do you like it? Don't forget to like, share and follow for more crispy snack recipes. That was our quick and delicious crispy aloo onion pakora made with simple ingredients and full of bold flavor. Thanks for watching to Noven Foods. See you next time with more homemade happiness.